fastest running bird is not the squirrel, it is the ostrich, but it cannot fly. The ostrich is also the fastest two-legged runner of all the animals on Earth. That means he's faster than all you humans, you slowpokes. The ostrich is the largest bird. Ooh, freckle, birdie. Bird locomotion is quite varied. Most can fly, some can run very well, some swim, and some do combinations of these. Some birds cannot fly. I think an ostrich cannot fly. I don't remember. That's why I didn't do too very good in school. Too much monkey business for me. I was busy.